హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ సాయి మ్యాథ్స్. ఈరోజు మనం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ చాప్టర్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ? లెట్ మీ హెల్ప్ యూ. ట్రై మీన్స్ 3. Gono means angle. Metry means measurement. Do you understand what is meant by trigonometry? 3 angle measurement. Tri means 3, gono means angle, metry means measurement. Do you understand? Let's get into the topic. Let us see some trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios? There are 6 types of trigonometric ratios. What are they? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. Okay, these are the 6 types of trigonometric ratios. You understand? Now let us see some trigonometric ratios values. See, now there are 5 types of values: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. See, for every theta, for every degree, some values are there. For sin theta, 0 degrees, the value is 0. 30 degrees, 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Understand? Now, for cos theta, reverse the sin theta. Okay? See, how to reverse the sin theta? 90 means 0. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0 as 90 degrees, 0. See, if we know only sin theta, we can get remaining all theta's value. Okay? Next, tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay? So, sin theta by cos theta, that means 0 by 1, how much? 0. So, tan 0 degrees, 0. Next, tan 30, that means sin by cos, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, the answer is 1 by root 3. Next, sin by cos, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. Tan 60, root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, root 3 by 1 is equals to root 3. Tan 90, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is undefined, so infinity. Cot theta is nothing but reverse of tan theta. Understood? See, cos theta is reverse of sin theta, cot theta is reverse of tan theta. Understood? Don't get confused. Cos theta is reverse of sin theta and cot theta is reverse of tan theta. See, how to write this? Infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Understood? Now, let us do cosecant theta first. What is cosecant theta? Reverse of sin theta. That means cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Understood? Now, what is sin theta? 0 by 1. Reverse means 1 by 0 by 1. That means 1 by 1 into 1 by 0. That means 1 by 0. How much 1 by 0 is? Undefined. So, cosecant 0 is undefined. Okay? 1 by 2. Reverse. 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1. Root 2. 2 by root 3. Root 3 by 2, if we reverse, what we will get? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. 1 by 1. If we reverse, what we get? 1. See here, cosecant theta. Secant theta is reverse of cosecant theta. So what can we write? 1, 2 by root 3, root 2 to infinity. See, don't get confused. Cos theta is reverse of sin theta. Cot theta is reverse of tan theta. Secant theta is reverse of cosecant theta. Do you understand? Let's go to some formulas. Now we are going to see some trigonometric identities. Okay, so what is first trigonometric identity? Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. See, sin squared theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. See, this formula is derived from this. Now what I did, cos theta I transferred from LHS to RHS. Okay, sin theta is equals to root of 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay, now second formula. Now secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equals to 1. As same as sin theta, secant theta also. Secant squared theta is equals to 1 plus tan squared theta. Secant theta is equals to root of 1 plus tan squared theta. Now let us go to third identity. Cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equals to 1. How can we write this? Cosecant squared theta is equals to 1 plus cot squared theta. Cosecant theta is equals to root of 1 plus cot squared theta. You understand these formulas? First one is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equals to 1. Third one is cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equals to 1. Have you understood this? In next video, I will tell you what are the trigonometric formulas.